It's been a long time since I've done a video on old dirt bikes, but there's a lot been happening, and as you can see, what's missing. Okay, the small Husqvarna has gone, and unfortunately the BRP is gone. I decided to sell the 650 because I wasn't getting on with it. I had one 20 years ago when they were fairly new, and I suppose the memories of it was better than the reality. But what's happened, I've got older and it just wasn't as much fun to ride. So they're worth quite a bit, so it had to go. I got no problems with the 600, that rides really nice, and the 400 as well. So yeah, so I sold the 650 and I sold the Husqvarna and I bought a Transalp. So this is it. When I was building the 650, I always thought, why don't Honda make something like that, but more modern, with twin cylinder and more horsepower? And basically this is it. So yeah, so that's what I bought. And most of them in the UK are white, but I really preferred the black one, so I ordered the black one. I had to wait a bit longer for it, but yeah, I prefer it. So it's a 24 model, and the optional extras I went for is the heated grips, the hand guards, the radiator guard, what else was there, the wheel stickers, and the 12-volt supply. Okay, this is a keyring. If you're wondering why is that, it's always good to have a keyring so you don't lose your keys. But what happens, as you know, on a bike, the keyring flies about and it scratches the surfaces. So by having a soft keyring, it's not going to scratch the surfaces. And as we're in Wales, it should be a sheep. And that's it. Yeah, so I'm really impressed with it. I gotta say, in over 30 years of riding, I'd say it's the best bike I've ever had. Of course, it's totally different to the XRs. I mean, they're purely for off-road. But this is my road bike, and so far I've done just over 100 miles on it, and I really like it. Yeah, so this is what's going on in old dirt bikes. Unfortunately, the 650's gone. Husqvarna was a bit too small, especially when you got a pillion. And also I got this project on the go. It's the Honda TRX 400EX. It's not mine, it's my friend's bike. He dropped it off here, asked if I'd go through it for him. So yeah, I'm just going through it. There was a carb fault as expected. The exhaust was damaged and leaking, and there was a broken head stud, and I've removed that. So a float was stuck in the carb, and also there was a sticky valve on it. And I'm just going through it all and getting it. I'm not doing it immaculate, just making sure it's mechanically sound. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. But that's the main topic of the video, is the Transalp.